Welcome to Auto Apex, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, prices and updates. If you love staying ahead in the automotive world, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. Today we are talking about the Jetour X50 2025, a car that has been gaining a lot of attention for its stylish design and advanced features. Jetour, a sub-brand of Chery, has been making waves in the SUV market by offering luxury features at an affordable price. The 2025 Jetour X50 is expected to come with a sleek and modern exterior, a spacious interior and cutting-edge technology. The front fascia will likely feature a bold grille, LED headlights and a sporty bumper design, giving it an aggressive and premium look. The rear will also get stylish taillights, a well-sculpted tailgate and a dual exhaust setup, adding to its overall road presence. Under the hood, it is likely to be powered by a turbocharged engine, delivering a balance of power and efficiency. The transmission options might include a CVT or a dual-clutch automatic to enhance performance and fuel economy. The Jetour X50 2025 is expected to offer multiple driving modes, including Eco Sport and Comfort, allowing drivers to customize their driving experience based on road conditions and preferences. Moving inside the cabin, the Jetour X50 is designed to offer a high level of comfort and convenience. Expect a large touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium upholstery, a digital instrument cluster and ambient lighting to create a luxurious atmosphere. The spacious interior will provide ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a great choice for families and long-distance travelers. The Jetour X50 2025 is also expected to come with a panoramic sunroof, giving passengers a more open and airy feel inside the cabin. Additional premium touches like ventilated and heated seats, a wireless charging pad and a premium audio system might also be included in higher trim levels. When it comes to safety, the Jetour X50 2025 is expected to include features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera, rear cross traffic alert, and a high-strength body structure to ensure maximum protection for passengers. Now the most important question: how much will the Jetour X50 2025 cost? The expected price range may vary depending on the region and the chosen trim level. However, based on market trends and previous models, the price is estimated to be competitive within its segment. Jetour has always positioned its vehicles as affordable yet feature-packed alternatives to more expensive competitors, so the X50 is expected to offer excellent value for money. For the latest and official pricing updates, be sure to check with your local Jetour dealership. Apart from its affordability and features, another key selling point of the Jetour X50 is its fuel efficiency. With rising fuel costs, many buyers are looking for SUVs that provide great mileage without compromising on performance. Jetour might introduce hybrid or mild hybrid variants to enhance efficiency further, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. Another highlight of the Jetour X50 2025 is its off-road capability. While it is primarily designed for city and highway driving, some variants might come with all-wheel drive and terrain management systems, allowing it to handle rough roads and mild off-road conditions with ease. The Jetour X50 2025 is also expected to offer smart driving assistance features such as traffic sign recognition, parking assist and AI-powered navigation to enhance convenience and make driving safer. With all these features and an expected competitive price tag, the Jetour X50 2025 is shaping up to be a strong contender in the SUV market. It combines style, technology, performance, and affordability, making it a great option for anyone looking for a modern and well-equipped SUV. What do you think about the Jetour X50 2025? Would you consider buying one? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know your favorite feature of this upcoming SUV. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Auto Apex for more updates on the latest cars and automotive news. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.